In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your ClickUp projects in board view. We'll start right from the home page so you can follow along. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. On the home page, select Login, then choose Continue with Google. When the Google prompt appears, pick the account you use for your workspace and complete the sign-in. This takes you into your workspace. On the left sidebar, locate your team space, the area where your team's projects, folders, and lists live, and open the space you want to manage in board view. Inside that space, open the relevant project folder so you're focused on the right work. At the top of the screen, open the View menu. From the available options, choose Board, also known as Kanban. Your tasks will now be displayed as movable cards organized into columns that represent your workflow statuses, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Managing work here is simple. Click a task card and drag it into another column to reflect its current status. For example, when a task is ready to start, pull it from To Do into In Progress. When it's finished, drop it into Done. Each drag and drop instantly updates the task's status, which keeps your reporting, assignees, and automations in sync. To streamline updates even further, open the Group Options menu in the upper area of the board. Choose Automate Status to open the Automation Builder. Here, you'll define the rules that help ClickUp move work forward for you. Start by selecting the trigger, the event that should kick things off, and choose Status Changes. This tells ClickUp to watch for a task moving between columns. Next, select Action to decide what should happen when that trigger fires. If you need to capture more structured information as part of the automation, choose Create a new custom field. Set up the field so it fits your team's needs, like a text value or a drop-down for categorization. When your trigger, actions, and any fields look right, click Create to save the automation. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to the correct space and project folder, switch to board view, manage tasks by dragging them between status columns, and set up an automation that responds to status changes. Use this view during stand-ups and planning sessions to keep everyone aligned, and let your automations handle the repetitive updates so your team can stay focused on delivery.